This is an emergency power supply for your home with more than 3 days of runtime. In this video, I'll show you how to build and operate it. Here, it is charging my computer and powering this blender, but it can run a refrigerator for 3 days straight. We just ran the first test. It works. So we started off with this battery, and I tested it with my multimeter. It had 12.9 volts, which was enough for the inverter. And then we fed power into the inverter through these alligator clips. Again, I recommend getting the inverter, alligator clips, and one battery first. Those parts are linked in the description. And we hooked it up to the 3,000 watt inverter. See, it's 3,000 watts. Let me get that upright. And then here's the power switch. And all we did was connect it with the alligator clips to the battery, and then hooked it up to my phone, and my phone charged all the way up to 90% from about 1. So yeah, that's proof of concept, and it works. Okay, so this is the practical setup. It starts at the battery at 12 volts and 50 amp hours. If you have 3 batteries, it'll be 12 volts and 150 amp hours because they will be in parallel. Then it moves to the inverter, and it's 3,000 watts, so it can handle all that power. And here, let me power it up and show you. As you can see, this can power other appliances like the washing machine. Only a small percentage of viewers are subscribed, but I give a lot of effort, so please subscribe.